All right, here's a 2016 exam for Algebra for end of year, for year 12. This is question 3c. And we've got this equation here, and it says make x subject. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to cross multiply the whole thing. So it's going to be 2 times 4x. So I'm going to have 2 times 4x, or 2 times, I'll write it out like this. 2 times 4x is equal to 5 times all this. I'm going to write it out so I can actually see myself doing this. 5 times y times x plus 3. All right, so that works well. So this 2 times 4x is going to be 8x. So I've got 8x is equal to, this is 5 times all of this. So this is going to be 5 lots of y x plus 5 threes. It's going to be 15 y. Because that's going to be a yx, it's going to be a 3y, so it's 5 lots of 3y is 15y. You might want to do it in more steps, but I'm okay with the way that kind of panned out. That's okay. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 5, and I'm going to call this xy rather than yx. Subtract 5xy from both sides. And the reason I'm doing that is I want all the x's on the same side. So now I've got 8x minus 5xy is equal to 15y. Now, I'm going to get the x's outside the brackets, so I'm going to put an x outside the brackets and say, well, what times x makes 8x would be an 8, and what times x makes a negative xy would be, negative 5xy would be negative 5y, and that's all equal to 15y. So now all I'm going to do is divide both sides by 8 minus 5y. Here it is, divide by 8 minus 5y. Of course, 8 minus 5y divided by 8 minus 5y is 1, leaving me with an x. So x is equal to 15y all on 8 minus 5y. That looks good. I'm just going to see, can I actually simplify this further? No, it really doesn't look like I can. I mean, obviously the 5 and the 15 and the y, you think, well, maybe I cross something up, but I really can't unless this was also divisible into this easily, which it really isn't. So there's my answer, and hopefully that makes sense.